11번. 다음 광고지를 보면서 대화를 듣고 대화의 내용과 일치하지 않는 것을 고르시오.
Hello, Handy Helper's Errand Service. Can I help you?
Yes, I think so. I need help with my errands.
Which service do you want? Gardening and car washing are on sale this week. Now they're $30 and $25 each.
Thanks, but I don't need them at the moment. Can you go grocery shopping for me?
Sure. Make a grocery list and email it to us. It costs $20 an hour.
Okay. Plus, can you pick up my laundry?
Sure, no problem. It's $15 per load.
What about carpet cleaning?
It depends on the size of your carpet. Email us and we'll send you more information about it.
Thank you.